Hi baby, how are you? Good to see you again.
What do you want from me, young lady?
What is wrong with you, honey? Why are you yelling at me?
I have told you many times that I don't need to see your face again.
Why, honey? Why are you behaving with me like this?
I know that you love me, but I don't want Somali ladies. Please leave me alone and go away right now before I slap you.
No, please, honey. Why are you mad with me today?
Oh my goodness. Love. Why you don't love your Somali boys?
Baby, you know, the Somali boys are not romantic. And because of that, I have felt in love with you.
Okay. I see. I am just kidding with you. I am sorry. Please have a set.
Really? Thanks, honey. Please don't do that with me again. You have scared me.
For sure. I promise. This will not happen again.